In this video, I'm going to find out if I've managed to fix my Olympus AM1 Mark II to work with my Rode Video Micro. Join me. Roll titles. Hi YouTube, Brian James at Micro Four Thirds Guy with you once again. And if you saw my previous video, I was testing out this, which is the Rode Video Micro microphone, and you realise that I had a bit of a problem. I'd used it on my Lumix G9 without any issue whatsoever. It was working perfectly straight out of the box. But I plugged it into my Olympus AM1 Mark II and it was dead. I was getting absolutely nothing out of it. Now this is an externally powered microphone and it's powered by the battery in the camera. So why wasn't my Olympus doing it? Well, I'm using the 3.5mm tip ring sleeve cable on both ends and that should get it to work. But what I did find is this. Let's have a little zoom in on the back of the Olympus menu. If we hit the menu button and then on the left hand side move it until we see the video menu. Click right on there, and if we go down to where it says movie, hopefully it's on. If it's not on, we need to right click on it and set it to on. However, if you look on there, you'll find there's another little green arrow on that on, which press that and that takes us to another sub menu, and it took me ages to find this one. Move down there to plug in power. It'll probably be defaulted to off. What we need to do is right click on that, switch it on, press the OK, make sure it's in the on position, and that will enable your microphone. So, dead easy once you find out how, but it took me a long time plowing down through the menus to find it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. If you found this video useful, give me a big thumbs up. It really is appreciated and helps it spread to more and more people. But until the next time, keep on taking your camera out. And if you take the microphone out, make sure it's powered up. Keep on enjoying your photography. Keep on having fun with your photography and your videography. Till next time, see you. Bye-bye.